Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to start by locating Clock app and clicking on it. Now select Alarm section on the left at the top. And before creating your new alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you want to, like Snooze. When you're done, just click on the back button and select this plus at the bottom to create new alarm. In this pop-up, set up an hour, and to continue, hit OK at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top, click on Add Label. Label it however you wish to if you wish to, and click on OK. Then click on Days of the week that you wish to set up, and tap on this little plus next to Pause Alarm to exclude some of those days. For example, I don't want my alarm to ring next week from Monday to Tuesday. To save it, click on OK. Now, by tapping on the same plus next to Google Assistant routine, you can add or remove your alarm from it. Then tap on little bell between Pause Alarm and Google Assistant routine. You can download one of those sources by tapping on the chosen one, or select Dismiss. Then click on YouTube Music. Log into your account to use music from it, or select Sounds and click on Add New located under your sounds. This way you can select any song from your tablet and click on it to set it up. You can also click on one of the available ones to apply it, like for example, Neon. So when I click and go back, I can see that my alarm sound was successfully changed. Now, to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner of your alarm. You can always switch it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you want to make some changes or delete your alarm completely, click on the top right corner again, this time to make settings visible, and change wherever you want to. Or hit delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!